Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are working on this beautiful soft purple eyeshadow look, and it's using the W7 Soft Hues palette. And if you did not know, this is almost an exact dupe for the Huda Beauty Rose Quartz palette. I got this for $4.25 at Five Below, so definitely be checking out your Five Below. I primed my eyes with the Bleed Beauty eyeshadow primer, and I used Hard Candy Marilyn Monroe loose powder under the eyes to catch any fallout we may have. And here's this beautiful soft palette. You have some really pretty soft mattes in there and some super beautiful shimmery shades in here. Phenomenal. They perform very nicely, and of course they are like a wash of color, so to speak. They are not super pigmented, but they are meant to be, like, they're pigmented, but they're meant to be super soft. So if that makes sense, like they're, you know, it's gonna look like a wash of color, even though, I mean, you can build these up and stuff. I just put that soft lavender shade in my crease, and then I take the slightly darker one that's right next to it, and I take that one on the edge of, or the side of that brush, the crease brush that I used. And I'm going to put that in the outer corner and the inner corner. So I'm kind of doing a quick halo eye. This is very easily achieved, and you just need to lay down a transition shade or not. That's completely up to you. I feel it helps with blending. And put a darker shade in your inner and outer corner, and then I pick up that beautiful shimmery duochrome shadow in the palette. It's like a white shift to purple shade, and I'm just going to apply that with my finger in the center of the lid, and that is pretty much all I did to achieve the halo eye. It was that easy. I'm going to do a little bit of blending and adding some color back, and that's it. That's all for the eyeshadow. This was super fast to achieve. I believe that eye took me under 2 minutes to completely achieve and be done. So I'm wiping away the fallout. And of course you're seeing a sped up version of this, but I'm talking about in real time, about 2 minutes to do this halo eye. So 4 minutes to do both eyes. I took a little bit of both of those shades, put them on my lower lash line, and I'm picking up that other shimmery shade and putting that in the inner corner. And I'm just going to build that up a little bit. And this palette, if you like soft looks, you're going to love this. And maybe use this palette with addition to another palette if you want something darker, but I actually really love how soft and beautiful this look came out. That was LaColors Enchanted Gel Eyeliner, and I used that in the waterline, and I'm using this LaColors Metallic Purple Eyeliner, just a thin strip line of that, and the Rimmel Extra Long Lash Mascara. I'm actually super duper loving this mascara right now. It is in my project pan and it is almost done, but I like the look it gives my lashes. It actually does give them length, and it does a good job at separating for the most part as well. So I like how that looks. And today I'm just using a gloss on my lips. Something simple and fast. And a lot of these looks I've been creating lately are looks that I'm literally getting ready to run out the door and go grab Connor, pick him up from school. So this is super easy and simple, and just having fun with makeup. So I hope you enjoyed the makeup tutorial, and stay tuned for more looks. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional links as well as a product list, and stay tuned for more makeup tutorials.